Today, after coming from Nongstoy, I had a meeting with our party president and also the senior member of the party, whereby I have explained to them regarding the incident which happened on 13th of August 2021, where I have decided to write to the Chief Minister to relieve me, to relieve the Police Department from me. This step have been taken to clear the doubt in the mind of the people when the government institute any inquiry regarding this incident. And also, I propose that judicial inquiry be conducted so that all the facts of the matter could be brought into light regarding this unfortunate incident which happened on the 13th of August 2021.